0.5 divided by 10. Look, 10, here 10 is a divisor. 10, 100, 1000, 10,000. These are called power of 10. Of course, positive. To divide a to divide a decimal by power of 10, just count the number of zeros in the power of 10 and move the decimal point from right to left equal to that number of zeros. Here number of zeros is 1, so decimal point will be moved from right to left 1 places. Yeah, so we are getting decimal 05. You can add here one more zero to mean that this number is less than 1. So 0.05 is our answer. Look, division means repeated subtraction, and in repeated subtraction the value of dividend decreased is decreased.